Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'll be discussing about one of the monitoring tool which I did build. This monitoring tool basically for only Windows servers. First of all, I'll be talking about why we need these monitoring tools, right? So nowadays, like people don't have too much time in order to like monitor stuffs in their environment, and they cannot waste their times in order to like monitor the simple things or the services or any sort of processes out there. So we need a tools which will actually do the job for us in the absence of us, and in the presence of us also they can monitor, and it can give the alert in the pop-up message if there is something wrong happening in our environment. So basically we want to like reduce the human effort, so that's why we need the monitoring tool in any organizations. So I'll be discussing about the tool which I did build. So this tool basically can monitor and provide the basic health check activities for a Windows system. So the basic utilities are like it will check the service status in the background every 5 minutes, and it will give the pop-up message if something happened wrong with the service or service stops. It will automatically restart and give the pop-up message. And I'm also providing the UI where you can actually monitor the things. So the refresh button, so it will give the like top five CPU consuming processes or top five consuming processes. And you can, if you want to kill any like process, you can kill. I give the option on there, so accordingly you can kill, and you can reduce the like load on your system. So the main important things is maintaining logs as well, so that in future someone want to like check what's happened at what time. So he can actually go to the that particular log and then can check the things out there. So this would be my flow of my script. So once I run the script, it will give the main UI which I'm going to show in a while. So from the UI, you can select the servers which you want to monitor. Once you select the monitor, let's suppose you select server AB. So server A, like once you select server A, it will go to the server A monitor UI. So in the background, it will parallelly do two jobs. Once it will check the service status in the background. If something happens wrong, it will give the like alert message to you. And similarly, in the monitoring UI, once you reach the monitoring UI, you can refresh out there. Once you refresh, it will give the like top five memory consuming process as well as top five CPU process with the timestamp. If you want to kill any process, you can go and enter the time name process. It will kill the process, and it will give the pop-up message to you. And if you don't want to, you can select the no. It will go to main UI. And if you want to stop the monitoring, you can stop the monitoring and come out from that one, and you can select another server as well. If you want to stop complete, you can end the monitoring, and everything, as I mentioned earlier, will be stored in the logs. And in the future, you can actually check the logs, and in needs, you can go there and get the fetch the details from that particular logs. Now I'll be showing the demo how exactly it is working, so that you can get a feel. So this is my script. Basically, I'm using the PowerShell for coding, and this is my code for selecting the server. And further from here, I'm using the workflows run script. You can go to particular server, and this is the like complete code for the server monitoring. It is handling each and every logic and taking care of each and everything, and we will maintain the logs as well. So before that, what I'll open the my services, this on my local machine. So from here, what I'll do, I'll just turn off one service. Let's suppose this is the Bluetooth support service. As of now, it is running, right? So what I'll do, I'll stop this service. Now, yeah, it has been stopped. Now you can see the service is stopped. So once I run my script, so it will automatically restart that service, right? So it will restart. I'll show you. So as I said, first, once I run my script, it will give this this main UI. From here you can select the monitor, select the different servers. As of now, I'm maintaining three servers. First one is on my local machine, and second one is second and third one is like I'm having the like I had set up on virtual machine on my local system. So here it is. You can see this my VM. VM is also up and running. So similarly, I had two VMs. So as for the test case, I'm using these VMs. So let's suppose you are selecting server one for monitoring. It will give this the UI so that you can monitor things from here. So if you refresh it, it will give these things with their timestamps. There's a top CPU process and top memory process, and again it will pop up this one, right? Bluetooth supports service has started. So as I said earlier, my script is taking care about these things. In the background, it automatically restart the stop service. So it will give this alert message, and now my Bluetooth service has started and it is running. I can check also for convenient. Here you can check this Bluetooth service. Where is my Bluetooth service? Yeah, here now it is running, right? Automatically my script is handling those cases. So now once you refresh with the time stamp at that particular time, it will give the status of your server. All the status is refreshing, so you can see at that time it is giving the information of your server. Now if you want to kill let's suppose what are the processes, like Teams is consuming the high very much memory, right? So if I want to kill the team, so what I can do, as of now, like my key, Teams is opening, right? Here you can see the team is open. So if I want to kill Teams, it will give uh, this text box from where you should enter the name of the process. Now I want to kill Teams, so I can go, and here what you can do here, it will give a remark, so that someone, if in future want to know why you did kill that process, they can fetch from the log file, right? So here I am saying not in use. So that's why I'm just writing something for node in use of now. So if I kill it, so now you can see the team has stopped. Now you can see team has stopped automatically. So this is how this monitoring tool actually doing the job for us. So if you again refresh it, it will now you can see the team has been killed. Here in the process list, the team is not there. Now if I stop the monitoring server one, so again like similarly, if I want to monitor server two, I can select from here. It will give the page here. This monitoring tool is for my server 2, that VM virtual machine is running on my system, and it is giving the same thing at that time. If I refresh it, it is refreshing at this time 20 or 00 32 seconds. It is giving this detail. So let's suppose in my VM, this my VM here, I'll start the PowerShell. Let's suppose as of now PowerShell is off, PowerShell is on, right? So if I want to like kill this PowerShell, so as of now PowerShell is not there. If I refresh it, PowerShell should come here, and now you can see the PowerShell has been started there, and it's consuming much memory. If I want to kill that PowerShell, again you can kill from here. This is for my remote server PowerShell. There you go, and same thing for the remark. So I'm just typing something else. Kill it. Now the PowerShell has been killed. You can actually check in here. This you can see the PowerShell has automatically killed. So I'm just closing. Yeah, you can again refresh it. Yeah, it has been refreshed. Now PowerShell has been killed. It's not in the list. You can see. If I want to stop it, I'm just stopping. I'm stopping the complete script. Now everything has been like stored in the log file, and you could actually go to log file, and someone want to like check what are the things happened at that time. You can actually go to log file and can see this is my log file, which automatically generate in the background. So at this time you can see 13 February 2021, the monitoring server one has started, and what's happened. Then you refresh it, the monitoring server at this time, just refresh it. And you can see this one, you killed one service earlier, right? That teams one, we killed it. The team service killed on server one at this time, and the reason for killing is not in use as of now. So I typed there, right? So refresh the monitor. Here also you can see that Bluetooth support service restarted, right? So it has been like stored here, the information. So similarly, it maintained the log for each and everything which happened at the that server monitoring. So you can see, now we stop the server monitoring too. This is the end of the log, and in the future, someone want, they can come to the log file and can just have a look. So that's all, guys. This basically works for Windows system, as I said. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you, guys.